Hello, tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to Tech24. Before we dive into today's exciting review, if you're passionate about the latest gadgets and technology trends, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our updates. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Honor X8A, a smartphone that's capturing attention for its incredible features and affordability. Let's find out what makes this device a must-have in your tech collection. First off, the Honor X8A is an unlocked smartphone, making it compatible with all carriers. This means you're not tied down to any specific service provider, giving you the freedom to choose the best plan that suits your needs. However, for our viewers in the USA, it's important to note that this smartphone won't work with CDMA networks such as Verizon, Sprint, or US Cellular, so make sure to check with your network provider for 3G or 4G LTE compatibility before making your purchase. One of the standout features of the Honor X8A is its stunning 6.7-inch IPS LCD display, boasting a resolution of 1080 x 2388 pixels. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows or gaming, the visuals on this device are crisp and immersive. Storage and performance are where the Honor X8A truly shines. With 128 GB of storage and 6 GB of RAM, you'll have plenty of space for all your apps, photos, and videos, not to mention smooth multitasking and gaming experiences, thanks to the powerful MediaTek Helio G88 processor. Photography enthusiasts, get ready to be impressed by the Honor X8A's camera setup. The device features a 100MP wide-angle camera, a 5MP ultra-wide camera, and a 2MP macro camera on the rear, alongside a 16MP front camera. Whether it's capturing breathtaking landscapes or stunning selfies, this smartphone has you covered. Running on Android 12.0, the Honor X8A offers a user-friendly and customizable experience, ensuring you have access to the latest features and security updates. Available in the striking cyan lake color, the Honor X8A isn't just a powerhouse of features, it's also a style statement. So, if you're in the market for a smartphone that offers premium features without breaking the bank, the Honor X8A might just be the perfect choice for you. Thank you for watching this review on Tech24. If you found it helpful, give us a like and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Honor X8A and if you're planning to add it to your tech collection. Until next time, stay tech savvy, friends.